If apps and games are not opening on your Mac, it could be due to a variety of issues such as system glitches, software conflicts, or even corrupted files. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix this problem. So let's get started. Firstly, click on the Apple menu at the top left of your screen, then a drop-down menu will appear. Now, from the drop-down menu, tap on the System Settings or System Preferences according to your macOS version. Now, inside System Settings, go to the General option available in the left slide bar. Then inside General, you can see Software Update. Tap on it. Now, install any available updates available there. Ensure both macOS and your apps are up to date, as updates often resolve compatibility issues. Also, open the Mac App Store and go to the Updates tab to install any pending app updates. Then, simply tap on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, and again a drop-down menu will appear. From there, tap on the Restart and restart your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor issues. Then again, go to the General, and inside General, scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. And if none of these work, then simply tap on the Erase Content option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.